the one-sided limits for function 2 over x cubed minus 1. So here we need to find limit of fx as x approaches to 1 from left, same thing 1 from right side. So 1 from left means when we have a number line, let's say here is 1. So when x approaches to 1 from left, then where does f approach to? In part B, when x approaches to 1 from right side, where does f approach to? So I'm going to work with a table here. So x and 2 over x cubed minus 1, the function. So for part A, I'm going to take numbers close to 1 from left. So I'm going to take 0.5, go closer to 1, 0.9, even closer, 0.99, 0.999. Okay, we designed these numbers approaching to 1 from left side. Now plug in these numbers into this function using your calculator. So when we plug in 0.5, 2 over quantity 0.5 cubed minus 1. So we need to put parentheses around on the bottom. So we're going to get negative 2.2857. Plug in 0.9, we get negative 7.38. Plug in 0.99, we get negative 67.3378. And for 0.999, we get negative 667.33. As you can see, these numbers in negative, they are, if we ignore the negative, they are approaching, they are increasing without bound. So this one clearly goes to negative infinity. So this is negative infinity. Now we want to do the same thing for part B. So make another table. Here is x, the function, same function. Here now we are approaching to 1 from right side. So I want to take close to 1, 1.5, come closer, 1.1, 1.01, 1.001. Now plug these numbers into this function. This is in fact when we use our calculator, this is 2 over parenthesis 1.5 cubed minus 1 close parenthesis. Okay, so this is like 2 over parenthesis. So in our calculator we want to enter in this way, 2 over 1.5 cubed minus 1 close parenthesis, enter. Okay, if you are not getting these numbers, then you are not entering correctly. For 1.5, we're going to get 0.8421. For 1.1, 6.0423. For 1.01, 66.0044. And for this 1.001, 666.00666. We designed these numbers approaching to 1 from right side. Now as you can see, it's increasing without bound, 0, 6, 66, 666. So even we come even closer to 1, maybe 1.0001 is going to be even bigger. So these numbers are increasing without bound, means infinity. So part B, that's infinity. Final.